I'm in my studio room right now. We still have to make it a studio room, but my kitchen in front of me and my thing right here, and we're gonna have some beautiful light because I have a window right here, and it's pretty sweet. And I have a guest coming into my room today, so let's see. Mom, you're the guest.
Okay. What am I doing?
You're gonna come in the camera. This is my guest, my mom.
Good morning. So, Valerie's going to be reading some books every day because she has to read 2 books because it helps. Reading is so important to help you get more comfortable with reading, loving words. So, this seems like a good way for Val to do her reading and share that love with other people. So, every day Val's going to read 2 books to you.
And I'm doing this so you guys have something to do while the coronavirus is. And I might do some in spring break. Summer break, and I might even do some videos while school is going after school, because I have school. I go to kindergarten. I'm 6 and my birthday's in September, and September 5th, and I'm 6 and I'm almost 7.
All right, so Val's going to read to you 2 books today.
No Kisses, Please, and Beautiful Bugs.
Enjoy.
So I just had a quick guest come into my room real fast. We're going to read Beautiful Bugs. So we're going to learn all about bugs in Beautiful Bugs. And it's going to say some bugs. And there's a little message at the back that we're going to read after. I'm trying to figure out which way I have to the camera to show you pictures. And this is a real non-fiction. Some bugs are green. Some bugs are green. So this is a grasshopper. You'll be able to... Some bugs are black. Some bugs are red with spots on their back. So these are the pictures. I'm not going to be really showing you the pictures. Reading. Some bugs are yellow. Some bugs are white. And you'll be able to read what the bug is. So these are our bugs right now. That too. There we go. Right there. Some bugs have stripes. Some bugs have a foot. One sec, I have to close my door because there's like attractions with doors here. So, where were we? Here we go. Bugs have lights. Some bugs look bumpy. Some bugs look hairy. So B and that. Some bugs look smooth, shiny. Some bugs look scary. These are them. You can barely see the dragonfly. I'll try to bring it closer. There's the dragonfly right there. Here's like the creepy one. There's the creepy one. Called, I think, a kitty. Some bugs look like a stick. or a leaf on a tree. So this is really funny. I'm going to read this if you guys want to hear it. A walking stick. So a walking stick, because right up here, this is a stick, but it's a bug. That's called a stick bug. That has legs. Or a butterfly. Butterflies can be great too. But all bugs are beautiful. Don't you agree? So this is the author that wrote the book, and this is all of the bugs. And then we're gonna read the back. All bugs are beautiful. Don't you agree? Open up this book and see. That's the message. Now I'm gonna read No Kisses, Please. No kisses, please. I hear a car. We have a visitor. Who can it be? Oh no, it's Auntie Judy. Auntie Judy. Oh no, it's Auntie Judy. This makes it sound exciting. She always kisses me. She doesn't like kisses. I hate kisses. I must hide. So he's gonna hide from some kisses. Now I am safe. I bet you can't see him, but he is right here. See, he's behind the plant. Right here. This is the plant. Plant's fault. There you are. I found you. So this is Auntie Judy's. Auntie Judy. Auntie Judy's hand. Oh no. Oh no. Help! What should I do? I have an idea. I dig a hole. Now, you kiss me. It worked. No kisses. He's proud of himself. He didn't get any kisses. Oh no, what now? Baths are better than kisses. So did he learn a lesson? He learned a lesson. When he doesn't want kisses, he digs in mud and he gets a bath. So it's pretty cute. Or when things go wrong. Or I'll turn this into a studio probably. And this is my windowsill wall, probably store all of your family funds. I might make a commercial or two to send, but this one is best.